Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create raindrop ripples in Autodesk Maya 2020 by using Fluid Texture 2D. Go to Create Polygon Primitives, take a polygon plane, scale the polygon plane along X, Y and Z, type 10. Move the polygon plane up just here. Take another polygon plane. Type subdivision width and height 30. And increase the width and height of the polygon plane. Just type 10. Now move the polygon plane to up. Go to Windows, Rendering Editor, click Hypershade or just click on this Hypershade icon. Select 2D texture, click Fluid Texture 2D, scroll the option, click on this Dynamic Simulation, change Solver Navier Strokes to Spring Mesh, minimize the window, select the polygon plane 1, again select the Fluid Texture 2D and rotate it 90 degree minus 90 degree along x-axis. Now select the first polygon plane, change modeling menu to effects menu, N particle, emit from object, open emit from object option box, reset the setting, select emitter type surface, rate particle per second type 15, click create, go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. Now increase the frame to 350, press enter, select the polygon plane 2, go to enclose, click create passive collider, again go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. Now select the N particle, open attribute editor, press Ctrl plus A or just click on this icon. Open add dynamic attributes, just click here, click general, select click particle, select collision U, control select collision V, click OK. Now click on this particle array attribute. Here collision U and V will be added. Right click on collision V, click run expression before dynamics. Copy this text, Ctrl plus V to paste it, click create. Now again go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. Go up, select lifespan mode, select lifespan PP only. Now again click play and see the effect. Now again copy this text, copy Ctrl plus C, open the expression editor, click clear, Press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Click Edit. Now again go to frame 1. Click play and see the effect. See? Turn off the grid. Now again select the polygon plane 2. Move it down. And fluid texture 2D, move it slightly up. Click play and see the effect. This is how you can create raindrop ripples or water drop ripples in Autodesk Maya 2020. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.